Hello everyone, welcome to Freeware. In this video, I will show you the basics of Enve 2D animation software. So the first time you open it will look like this. So let's click done. Let's make a new project. Choose a resolution. FPS I'm gonna choose. You can choose the duration by frames or by seconds. I'm gonna choose by seconds. Right. The background you can choose any color. Okay. So this is the interface of Enve. As you can see, you can make some changes in here. Scroll down and up your mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Press 0 on your keyboard to fit the canvas size. This is where we'll find our selected objects. This is where we'll find our imported files. We can import files by going here and import file, and we supports all type of file you want to use. So these are the tools of Enve 2D animation software. This is the selection tool, this is the node tool, this is the Bezier pen tool, this is the draw tool, this is the brush tool, this is the circle tool, and this is the rectangle tool. This is the text, this is the null, and a color picker. So let's create a circle. If you hold shift, it will make a perfect circle. So right now our circle doesn't have any fill, so let's choose flat and make it like this. Press D to open up the alignment dock. Let's align it to the scene. Okay, so as you can see, a new layer has been added named circle. We can increase or decrease the frame range of the timeline by scrolling on here. We can go and scroll on here like this or like this. Okay, let's see some useful shortcuts of Enve. Select and press G to move your object. Press S to scale your object. Press R to rotate your object. Actually it's a circle, so you can see it actually. There are some additional shortcuts for making your life easy in Enve. Press GX to move it only on the x-axis. Press GY to move it only on the y-axis. Press SX to scale it only on the x-axis. Press SY, y-axis. Undo that. Okay. So let's animate this circle. We can animate these properties. As you can see, this is the horizontal radius and this is the vertical radius. The shortcut also goes for the nodes. If I select that node and press GX, you can see it's working. Let's animate this translation. I'm gonna animate on the x-axis. Okay, let's move it on here. I'm gonna keep this on here. Let's preview our animation. Here there is a legend we can choose for our previewing animation. Okay, right now as you can see the animation is very it's very linear. So let's make it smooth by editing in the graph editor. So let's turn on the graph editor for this x-axis, and this is where you can turn on the global graph editor. You can see these are two keyframes. Hold Ctrl and scroll your mouse to zoom in and out. Let's select both of them and we can choose any of these options. I'm going to choose symmetric nodes. As you can see the nodes are smooth now, so our animation will be smoother. Better than before. Okay, the graph editor is actually pretty cool. I'll make another video for a graph editor, so make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's go to the timeline. So if I want to if I want to show this circle only on a specific time, then we can use a feature called visibility range. We can turn it on by right click on it and choose visibility range. As you can see, a visibility range has been turned on. Let's make this long like this. So this is where you can control the visibility range. Is actually pretty useful. We can use it to show our objects in different times. Okay, let's make it even bigger. How to duplicate a keyframe? Select it like this, or just clicking on it, and then press Ctrl D to paste it on the timeline where you have your time bar. Or you can do it by selecting it and pressing Shift D to duplicate and place it wherever you want. Okay, so let's see how to render your animation. Right now as you can see we have this animation, pretty much boring, sorry for that. So let's go to scene settings. Okay, I'm just making it short, so let's choose 50. Okay, as you can see it has been 50 frames. Let's go to scene, add to render queue, and then come on to render, open it, output setting, click on settings, choose whatever you like. I'm going to choose MP4. We don't have audio in this animation, so let's just uncheck it. Choose your destination and then click on render. Okay, so our render has been finished, as you can see. So yeah, that's it That's you need to know to getting started with Enve. Sorry, actually I'm kind of very nervous right now because this is my first time making a tutorial video. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll be uploading lots of video about Enve. So yeah, see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye. Please subscribe.